Ever wondered why we can't just call NaCl salty stuff and move on? Welcome to the world of systematic chemical naming, where precision meets personality and every ion finds its perfect match. In this video, we're breaking down the rules and breaking out the laughs as we tackle the naming of ionic compounds in a way that's anything but boring. We'll cover Type 1 metals, the reliable ones with a single charge. Type 2 metals, the unpredictable charmers with multiple charge options. Polyatomic ions, the clicky compounds that always travel in packs. Whether you're cramming for a test or just here for the chemistry-themed comedy, this video will help you name like a pro, with a few giggles along the way. Let's get formula ready and pun-powered. Welcome back to Love at First Bond, where opposites attract and electrons get stolen. Tonight's bachelor is a shiny and stable guy from Group 1. Give it up for Sodium!
Hey there, I'm Na. I've got one valence electron I'm dying to give away. I'm looking for someone electronegative, loyal, and ready to complete my octet.
Well, Sodium, we've got 3 lovely non-metals backstage. Let's meet them!
I'm a bit of a breath of fresh air. I take 2 electrons and never ghost. But I'm not here for a fling. I want a full compound.
I'm sharp, salty, and I only need 1 electron to feel whole. I'll take what you give and turn it into something beautiful.
I'm triple bonded to my standards. You'll need more than charm to win me over.
Chlorine, you had me at salty. Let's make sodium chloride together.
And there you have it, folks. When a metal like sodium meets a non-metal like chlorine, they form a bond and a name by keeping it simple. Metal name plus non-metal root plus IDE. That's ionic love. Right behind them, we welcome a bachelor who's got 2 electrons to give at a heart of alkaline earth. Say hello to calcium.
I'm calcium. I don't do drama. I just want balance. I'm looking for someone who can take both electrons and complete me.
I'm Br negative ion. I'm loyal, electronegative, and I come with a twin. We're ready to bond.
2 bromines? That's perfect. Let's make calcium bromide.
That's right. CaBr2 is named calcium bromide. No prefixes, no Roman numerals, just a balanced ionic love story. Next up, a bachelor from Group 13 who's got 3 electrons to give and a shiny personality. Give it up for aluminum!
I'm aluminum 3+. I'm stable, lightweight, and I'm ready to commit. I need someone who can handle all 3 electrons.
I'm Cl negative ion. I'm classic, reactive, and I come in 3s. Let's make something strong.
3 chlorines? That's exactly what I need. Let's form aluminum chloride.
And there you have it. AlCl3 is aluminum chloride. Even though aluminum has a +3 charge, we don't use Roman numerals because it's predictable. That's type 1 chemistry, folks. fourth contestant is locked in and focused. Let's meet a bachelor who's not just complex, he's multivalent. Please welcome our Iron.
I'm FE. Sometimes I'm FE2+, sometimes FE3+. I've got layers. I need someone who can handle my charge and name me properly.
I'm O2-. I'm stable, reactive, and I don't play guessing games. If you want to bond, you better be clear about your oxidation state.
Fair enough. Let's go with Fe2+. That makes FeO, iron 2 oxide.
Oxygen demanded clarity, and iron delivered. That's iron 2 oxide, funks. The Roman numeral tells us iron is +2 in this relationship.
Next up, a bachelor with a shiny exterior and a confusing past. Copper.
I'm Cu. I've been Cu+ and Cu2+. I've made compounds like CuCl and CuCl2. I'm here to set the record straight.
I'm Cl negative. I've seen you around. But which copper are you today?
Today, I'm Cu2+. That makes CuCl2, copper 2 chloride.
Good call. Without the Roman numeral, we wouldn't know which copper showed up. That's the drama of type 2 naming. Charging into the sixth spot, here comes the Mercury twins. 2 atoms, 1 bond, and a shared secret.
I'm Hg, but I never go anywhere without my brother. Together, we're Hg2+. Each of us +1, bonded for life.
I'm chloride. I like clarity. Are you two ready to settle down?
2 chlorides for 2 brothers. That gives Hg2Cl2, mercury 1 chloride.
When mercury bonds as a dimer, each atom is +1. That's mercury 1. Last time, Mercury came with backup. Tonight, he's flying solo.
I'm Hg2+. No twin today, it's just me and a balanced partnership.
Then you'll need 2 of me. Let's make HgCl2, mercury 2 chloride.
Same element, different charge. Roman numerals tell the story. In a sea of moody metals with commitment issues, here comes Silver, Mr. Monovalent himself. No drama, no guessing games, just pure, unadulterated class 1 energy.
Consistency is my love language.
And then there's Ink, the guy who shows up to every reaction with the same vibe, +2, and emotionally available.
I'm not here to change. I'm here to bond.
Am I +2 today? Or +3? Or existential?
Poor Iron. He's got more personalities than a soap opera villain. Someone get this guy a ligand and a therapist.
Let's make AgCl. It's not flashy, but it's forever, unless exposed to light.
You complete my coordination sphere.
Ah, the beauty of predictable bonding. No Roman numerals, no heartbreak, just textbook chemistry. While the others are still figuring out their oxidation states, these two are already forming precipitates and planning their lattice structures.
Let the others chase redox streams. We've found our formula.
Predictability never looked so good.
To the oddballs who keep it simple, may your bonds be strong and your solubility low. Calcium-5, he was dating a simple partner, but surprise, he's mating the whole polyatomic family.
I'm calcium, looking for a stable partner.
We're SO4 2-. We come as a unit. No chopping up the name, please.
Perfect match, calcium sulfate.
Naming rule with polyatomics is simple. Say the metal, then the full polyatomic ion name. No IDE swaps on sulfate, nitrate, carbonate, etc. Tonight's drama, how to show multiples without mixing the family up.
I'm Fe3 positive. I'm committing to hydroxide.
We're OH- and we stick together.
To balance, I need 3 of you. FeOH3 iron 3 hydroxide.
Parenthesis means this whole group repeats.
Without them, you miscount atoms and confuse the audience.
Plot twist, sometimes the non-metal side is actually a positive
Polyatomic.
We're NH4+. We may be a group, but we play cation.
I'm chloride. Let's keep it classic.
NH4Cl, ammonium chloride.
If the cation itself is polyatomic like ammonium, name it first, then the anion. Same rule but different lead.